Are you feeling depressed lately? If so, then in this video I'm going to share some tips which will help you. I request you all to not use this video for self-diagnosing depression disorder. My aim is to just help those people who are feeling down lately. First, let's acknowledge the fact that you are feeling down. Sweetheart, it's okay to feel that way. We are humans, and in life we went through all these events and emotions that make us feel down sometimes, that make us feel bad sometimes. It's okay, your feelings are totally valid. This graph will go up and down throughout the lifetime, but don't feel bad about it. Your feelings are totally valid. I understand all of your feelings, all of your emotions. I am here with you, and just acknowledge it. Don't feel bad about that you are feeling bad. It's okay, we are humans and your feelings are totally valid. Second tip is practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is everything in which you are living in the present moment. Mind my word, living in a present moment. Like you're not thinking about the past or worrying about the future. You're just living in this moment and just feeling it and feeling grateful for it. You can practice mindfulness in various activities like doing dance, singing, drawing, meditation, yoga, journaling, running. Everything which will make you live in a present moment is mindfulness. Do breathing exercises, do yoga. Also practice gratitude. Gratitude also comes in mindfulness, like you're feeling grateful for everything around you. In psychology, mindfulness-based cognitive therapy is used, which is MBCT. About 75% of the patients with depression, anxiety and bipolar disorder are getting better and get treated with the MBCT. Practicing mindfulness, there is one more point, which is meditation. Like, I'm not telling you to be a saint and just sit for 10 hours and do meditation. Just take 10 to 15 minutes and sit with yourself, sit with your thoughts, acknowledge them, but then try to live in the moment, try to focus on your breath and just do meditate. Third tip is journaling. Yeah, you heard me right. I'm a fan of journaling. Like whenever I have those thoughts like which are killing me from inside and freaking my brain with depressive thoughts, negative thoughts, get your paper and pen and just write. Whatever comes into your brain, just write it. When you write about your thought, now you get more clarity about what you're thinking and your thoughts. Journaling have many types, like you can do personal journaling, you can do gratitude journaling. Just brain dump everything on that piece of paper and it will help you. Believe. The fourth tip is nature is a healer. Our birth, our origin is from nature, and as you know, when you feel depressed now, your vibration are low. Every human being have their own vibration, as you should know. We all are energies. When we feel down now, we have low vibration. But to get ourselves back there, to get ourselves back to the our high vibration, our normal vibration, we can go to nature, because as you know, nature has really high positive energy, and when you come in contact with nature now, you will get your vibration back. So believe me, whenever you feel down, go for a walk in the park, go anywhere where you can feel the nature, where are trees, birds, rivers, lakes, waterfalls, like which can make you feel like down to the earth, make you feel grounded and just higher your vibration while acknowledging the fact about the nature. A study using functional neuroimagining found out that if a human being walk 30 minutes to 45 minutes into nature now, their depression and their negative feelings and negative emotions are coming down to about 50 to 75%. No one will help you, but let me tell you, the nature will help you. So go for it. Fifth tip is that get your ass move. Get your ass move. If you are laying on the bed whole day, whole night and thinking that, oh my god, why I'm feeling like that, then girl, no one can help you. Even these tips will not help you. Get your ass moving. Do some exercises. Because studies have shown that, and especially psychology and psychiatry says that a decrease in some neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin can lead to depressive thoughts and anxiety and depression. So do yoga, do gym, go for gym, do dancing, do cardio, do whatever you like, do Zumba, do exercise, do weightlifting, do calisthenics, but just get your ass moved so the level of serotonin and dopamine will be at the level which your body needs. So the sixth tip is to get some sunlight daily. Yes, sweetheart, you heard me correct. Get some sunlight daily. Studies have shown that sunlight can increase the level of dopamine and serotonin in an individual's body. Take sunlight 15 to 30 minutes daily, so it helps you feel good and increase your level of serotonin and dopamine. Seventh and the last tip will be eat healthy and sleep well. Yeah guys, I know you saw that coming. Here's a quote. Your body is the only asset you really own. How you treat your body, it will treat you back. Healthy food gonna make your vibration high. It gonna increase the vibration of your body. So eat well and sleep well. If you're not sleeping 6 to 7 hours, sweetheart, darling, don't think that this will all work if you are not giving rest to your body, if you're not letting your brain to cool down, calm down, to function well. Because sleep is super freaking important, sweetheart. So please try to sleep 7 to 8 hours at night and eat healthy foods. Your body and mind is your real asset. By replacing some of your daily routines and habits which are not serving you anymore with the ones which are good for your mental, physical and emotional well-being, you are gifting yourself everything. Follow these all tips and I think it will help you. Thank you. Signing off. Peace.